Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are talking about one topic, that is cities, and this is city creation, and this is basically one of the topic of global warming error. So, like this, basically, the story of Sunil, basically, just now you saw, basically, right? So, that is also part of the education error only, basically. That means there is no value of education only, basically, in India, basically. I am talking about 19 of the year, that is 1982, basically, before the India won the World Cup, basically. That time incidents, basically, this happened. That time, basically, this incidents basically happened. So one of the person told that basically there is no value of education, basically, here in India. If there might be any value, basically, then basically you might not basically got the fail remark, basically. That was literally basically done by some group, basically. They told that basically this is our Raj, basically. Here, basically, we are only going to rule, basically. But by getting first rank, basically, older, how basically they are going to rule, basically. And for example, I would be also first rank, basically. I was first rank, right, basically. So that time, basically, I was ruling the basically any of the thing, basically. I was just having the first rank only, basically. Nothing else, basically. I was doing. I was not ruling anything, na, basically. But that basically hurt somebody, and they basically literally done this plan, basically. So who basically has done that, basically, is still the suspense, basically. That still basically I don't know, basically. But still basically few people says that basically some bad has happened here, basically. So in that time, basically, still basically bad has happened, basically. That time basically it was bad only, basically. Somebody has done bad with you, basically. Somebody has done bad with you, basically. That time, basically. So this thing basically just now basically I discussed that story, basically, that is also basically the part of 20 percentage error, basically. That basically it's not error in the education, basically, but it's error in the education only, basically, you can say that was error in the education only, basically. That was error in the education only, basically, you can say, because there basically teacher also supported, was not able to support that particular boy, basically. That was me, basically. So that was also basically big education error, basically. So one of the person told, yeah, that time, basically, actually you were supposed to leave India only, basically, because that time only basically you got that basically which type of Indian basically system is there, basically, which type of India education system is there, basically. If education system is like this, basically, then how would be the rest of system, basically? That also one of the person told that, basically. How basically it would be the marriage system, how would be the job system, how would be your Naukri system, basically, how you would be earning the system, money system, basically. That all system how would be, basically. That how would be everything, basically. That one of the person told that, basically. So that's why lots of people basically don't stay in India only, basically. They literally leaves India, basically, because they say that basically this is India, basically. Anything basically can happen, basically. First rank holder basically can become fail also, basically. That also basically can happen, basically. But literally basically one of the person told that basically that is not possible here, basically. One first rank holder basically how he can become fail, basically. How basically the school basically can give the degree of fail, basically. Practically that is not possible, basically. That also basically one of the person told, basically. So that's basically error of the education system also, basically, you can say. And base is basically education system only, basically. If education system is not proper, then your entire system basically of the country basically is not going to be proper, basically, because base of the student basically is not proper. Then how basically is going to get the other system, basically. Your base only say that basically that the education of India, basically, and entire education of entire system basically like is like this only, basically. If you want to stay, then basically stay, otherwise basically leave basically India. And that everybody, the big businessmen also know, the next generation of businessmen also know that system is basically like this. And that is basically the system of Hindustan. Basically one of the person to assume that basically one of the person basically from Pakistan saw this video, and he basically will literally basically will do jashan basically. अरे भाई हिंदुस्तान का सिस्टम देखो, भाई सिस्टम देखो हिंदुस्तान का. And he might give lots of sweets also basically to the entire Pakistan also basically. See basically India system, see basically how basically India system is basically. First rank holder basically become got the failed degree basically. See basically the system of India basically. Then basically that time basically the India will hurt basically. Yaar, this actually created a big issue basically. Pakistan basically saw this video and basically they basically done the jashan basically there basically. And they basically their education system basically they told that we are basically better than India basically. Now we basically can say that basically now basically our education system is better than India. So like this basically also things basically happens basically. So like this basically one of the person told that basically in this basically the USA, Chinese people, Japanese people, they are basically perfect. Their basically education system is perfect basically. If they are basically anybody person basically, if he is poor also basically, if he is first, then basically the school supports them basically. But in here in India basically, school not supports basically, school supports rich people basically. Poor people basically there is no value of poor people in school basically, whether he is having first rank holder or basically is having second rank holder. So one of the person told that basically 20% error तो है basically education में. 20% error is there basically. So 200 people basically, that is also basically one of the example of error basically. So these all basically errors are there basically. And world basically is telling that basically the world has divided into 11 parts basically. That is earth planet has divided into 11 parts. In this basically one of the part is of Asian country basically, sorry Asian land basically, and somebody has created the education sector basically, and that education sector basically some state basically has created, that also you can say that basically. And that basically sector basically contains the error basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the education sectors basically, that 20% error basically.